Does the daily 10,000 steps goal hurt more than it helps? So, apparently, if you're not walking 10,000 steps a day, you might as well throw your shoes away, move into your couch, and prepare to be embalmed early. But wait, who decided 10,000 steps was the magic number? NASA? The WHO? A secret society of Fitbit-wearing squirrels? Nope. Spoiler, it's way less scientific than you think. Back in the 1960s, a Japanese company was like, hey, our pedometer's name literally translates to 10,000 steps meter. So let's tell people that's the health goal. And humans being humans, we all went, sounds legit. That's right, the famous 10K rule is basically a marketing slogan that got stuck in our collective brain like got milk? Or live, laugh, love, YOLO. Now, don't get me wrong, walking is great, moving is great, but walking exactly 10,000 steps every day is like saying you can only be hydrated if you drink from a golden goblet held by Ryan Gosling. The truth? Science says the real benefits start way before 10K. And for some people, hitting that 10K steps can do more harm than good. If you're older, recovering from injury, or your joints creak like the door in a haunted house, forcing 10K steps could lead to overuse injuries, exhaustion, and enough knee pain to make you swear revenge on every staircase in existence. Studies show around 6,000 to 8,000 steps per day is where most adults see the biggest health benefits. Extra is nice, but it's like pouring coffee into a cup that's already full. Sure, it's fun until you burn your hand. Quick pause. If you've ever felt personally attacked by your step counter at 11:59 p.m., smash that like button so this video can be recommended to other victims of the pedometer cult. And drop a comment. Are you team 10K, team I'll take the elevator, or team does walking to the fridge count? Now, go take a walk, or don't. I'm not your stepdaddy. Here's the thing, you could hit 10K steps in your living room if you pace while binge watching Netflix. But if your idea of exercise is walking to the fridge for the 11th time, that's still better than nothing. Movement in any form helps. It's not just how many steps, it's how you take them. Brisk walking, heels, mixing it up, chef's kiss. Dragging your feet while scrolling TikTok, not quite the same cardiovascular miracle. So, does the 10K step goal hurt more than it helps? If you treat it like a religion and push past your limits, yeah, but if you see it for what it is, a nice round marketing number, and focus on what works for your body, then you win. 10,000 steps a day, cool if you like it. Totally skippable if you don't. Because at the end of the day, the best number is the one that keeps you healthy, happy, and not negotiating with your steps watch counter. The real goal, move more than you did yesterday. Unless yesterday was a marathon, then maybe just take a nap. All right, step away from the screen, literally, and go move your legs. Or, watch another one of my videos and promise you walk later.